Why belly fat is the hardest part to remove? Fat is an essential component so that our bodies can function properly. But when there is too much of it lingering inside of us, it can be a big discomfort. Not only does excess fat such as the ones in our belly or thighs make us look unattractive, but they also have harmful effects that can cause serious illness to your systems in the long run. Because of this, many health and fitness experts all around the globe have developed numerous ways of helping people maintain their weight and burn excess fat from their bodies. Among these include various forms of calisthenics and exercises, diet programs, food supplements. The list go on and on. Now for some people, they are effective, but for others, well, it takes them a longer while to achieve the results that they want. For some reason though, out of all the different body parts where excess fat lodges, it seems that belly fat is the toughest one to get rid of. You exercise, eat less than normally would, and you get to see the results when you look at your arms and legs. But when it comes to your waist and your belly, it just seems to take longer than usual. Why is belly fat the hardest part to remove? Please like, share and subscribe. 1. You're not getting younger. With all the complicated explanations given to us by a lot of experts, the answer is quite simpler: we are getting older. Due to the ever-changing hormonal production and the aging process, our bodies become less efficient at burning fat. The ages at which burning fat is most efficient is 18 to 25 years old. Because this is the part of our life where our bodies are at their peak. As we grow older, our bodies become less efficient, so we must put more work than we should. 2. Your muscles memorize your moves. If you have been doing the same exercises over and over again for a long time, you will notice that whenever you do that routine today, it does not hurt the same as when you began the program. This is due to muscle memory. When your muscles become accustomed to certain set of activities, they stop building, making those activities less effective. The best way to prevent this from happening is trying different exercise routines so your abdominal muscles do not get used to a single exercise program. 3. You're too stressed. Many people underestimate the negative effects that stress can put on our bodies, and they usually pay for it in the long term. When we are under stress, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol, which decreases our metabolism and increases the amount of fat that our bodies store. Stress management is the most effective way to combat this threat. 4. You don't watch what you eat. Finally, the simplest and yet often forgotten reason why belly fat is the hardest part to remove. We do not watch what we eat. Sure, you can train yourself to eat less than you normally would. But if you only eat foods with high calorie content, you will still store a lot of fat. Eating foods that are rich in protein and fiber can help get rid of belly fat faster and more efficiently. Thank you for watching.